Hi, Kazuaki. So I'm going to do something a little different, which is make a video recording of me correcting your paper and commenting on it at the same time. So here we go. I hope this is useful for you, and I'd love to get your feedback if you're willing to give it. Okay, so here we go. You said two charts showing total energy production and using in the world 19 in here. Okay, wrong word here. You want the word use. Energy production and use. In the world, I think this is unnecessary. So I'm just going to take it out. Of course, it's in the world, right? Where else would it be? Or else you know what? You're right. Let's just put world, total world energy production. The principle here is uh, short and sweet. That is, shorter is better. Always try to write shorter if possible. Okay, got that? All right, after analyzing the two chart can be seen the total production usage. Like I said, let's just go with the word use of energy had increased. To use had, you need two um, events, both in the past, and you wish to contrast and show that one happened before the other. So that's not the case here. So we're just going to take that out. Just increased, that's enough. Approximately 2 times. We don't say 2 times, we say twice. No, actually, you know what we say? We say uh, approximately doubled. Doubled. 19 the world consumption is almost the same as the amount you. Okay, good. The most significant change is showing. Okay, Middle East is spelling is wrong. Hmm? Spelling. Total production consumption had significantly increased. You could say had here if you said between. What are your two dates? 1976 and 2006. But again, really, you shouldn't have had here. You only have only one event in the past, which is increased. Even though you have two moments in the past, but you're talking about change, increased. So that's just one past tense. Speaking of, do you see the difference? Speaking of the Middle East, the energy production did not change. You don't need the here because you're talking about energy production in general, not some specific energy production. Uh, you could say the energy production there in the Middle East. That makes it specific. On the other hand, approximately 4 times more energy was used in 2000 than, not to, than in. Agree? Most of the countries are producing and using energy in 2006 more. Well, 2006 is past, so you want to say produced, right? Produced and used. And here we've got a word. We want to put in 2006 here, and then used energy. Put more here in front of energy, more than they're producing. Okay. In the Pacific, North America, what is the Pacific? The Pacific's an ocean. I'm sure you don't mean that. You talking about the ocean? The Pacific Rim? The Pacific Rim? That would be like Japan and so on. I don't know what you mean. Production and consumption increased. Again, we don't need the. Production and consumption increased approximately 2 to 3 times. Okay. In Europe, energy consumption did not change. You need a comma here, unlike, and just to be specific, in other countries. In these charts, most of the country's consumption. One country? You mean countries, don't you? Consumption had increased. Again, no had. 2 times, doubled. However, a few countries and areas, uh, again, did not change. Did not change that much over 15 years, or did not change much over 50 years. Okay, I think you understood the chart quite well, but there's some English problem. So I hope that's helpful, and feel free to let me know what you think about this way of correcting. Is it more useful, less useful, equally useful compared to the usual way that I have been correcting your things, or maybe what some other teacher did? Yeah, be very interested in that. What helps you learn? Okay, so I'm going to stop this. And I always forget how to stop it. Is that it? Oh, yeah.